Hey guys, it's a very quick unboxing of the CosmicBytes CBGK, I guess it's gaming keyboard, 16 Firefly. It's a 10 keyless mechanical keyboard with Outemu blue switches. So I wanted to get you a bit of an unboxing experience here, so let's get started. So, if you don't remember, in my channel, I did another similar unboxing of the CosmicByte. I believe it was called, this is the keyboard which I have been using for some time. I think it's called it's the Black Eye Wired. So it's the Black Eye. It has Outemu brown switches. I really like brown. But this one, which I'm using right now, I will be using right now. This one is for my brother, and he is very much in love with 10 keyless because he games a lot, and he feels that, well, the keyboard which he has a number pad and it's a 4-piece. He wanted a 10 keyless, and that's pretty much all we have right here. So I will get you an experience of this one. So first of all, you can see that it is pretty flashy, gamery packaging. I would say that. Switch to God mode. Wow, cheesy. But it's a compact, portable, and RGB backlit. That's a big thing. Outemu switches. This one has an Outemu blue switches. I think it also comes in Outemu red. I'm not really sure, but it's okay. Compact projection, ergonomic design, 87 keys. 50 million. Switch life because mechanical. Not a very expensive one, but again, being a mechanical switch itself, it is enough expensive to be considered as a splurge thing. So let's open it up, and ooh, okay. It comes in pretty good packaging. I'll keep this aside, and that's pretty much it. I don't see a keycap holder. Why do I not see a keycap holder? Let's keep it aside. It does come with a braided cable, interesting enough. I don't know, for me personally, braided cables never really had any interest because I want the cables to be as nondescript as possible. So, I don't know. Okay, let's just remove this because I only have one hand. Hey, I only have one hand. I did not get a keycap holder. Interesting. But there you have it. All the lights and everything. Wow, it has the CosmicBytes logo right there. I think I'll put a black tape, electrical tape, or something like that there. I don't like huge brandings. Okay, if you know my keyboard, the one which I've been using for some time, this one has CosmicBytes here, and again, not what I would like. So yeah, that's basically it with the CosmicByte keyboard. Do you want me to power it on? Let's see. Okay, I do have a USB port here, so hopefully that'll be enough. That's my Pi. I'm just putting it in the Pi. Yay! Damn it! Go in, get in, and there you have it. That is the keyboard. I have no idea how. Yeah, I mean, I remember these. So wow, it is clicky. Well, my Pi is probably going berserk, but it's okay. So, from what I remember, you have function and light. No? Light? Yeah, it has enough light effects and everything. Let me turn off the light so that you can see more. Ooh. Okay. So it has that. It has unicorn barf, of course. And I think you can also increase the brightness of it or decrease the brightness of it. So you have these many levels of brightness. This is the speed of the color shift patterns and everything. This is another one, rainbow road or whatever it's called. So that's another light. Okay, this is breathing, so you can also change the speed of the breathing, and it should be okay. Yeah, and let's see. Okay, that's interesting. Another one. Okay, that's cool. Oh, ooh, Whirlpool, and it's Rasengan. Okay, so that seems to be another color. I'm not really sure if there is an option for function escape because I see some button there, and oh my god, I can't reach it. Let me see. Wait. No, nothing. Okay, I don't see anything. Okay, what happened? There must be something here which I'm missing, but it's okay. I can live with that, I believe. Okay, another one. Oh, I have a macro button also where you can record stuff, so that's pretty nice. I don't know what this is about. Oh, that's off. No, that's on. Okay, that's unicorn broth. That's rainbow row. That's breathing. That's light up. That's something. That's rain. and that is just color, I think. How do I change the colors? There should be an option to change the colors also. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick look at this beautiful keyboard, which is a 10 kilos, and it should work relatively well. I hope you guys liked the video. Please share, subscribe, and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys later. Bye.